Greater Tipraland no Shani Long March Klaika Tipra Mathani Shikla Bodol YTF ni Adongrok Koktisalo Fungni Dam Jar Jorani Shimino Jompui Jola Blockni Bisho Khobjangnai Ramdul Rungnok Kholani Shimi O Luko Himbotok Jengo Hini Koktuma Shaimanka O Himbotogo Khorok Rani Shaifana Kubang Shikla Adongrok Phai Manjaka Hinai Phainai 13 November Bishalgoro Greater Tipraland no Shanlaimungno Biskango Tonai Tipra Mothani YTF eba khaba Shikla Bodolni Phaising te kaisa kotor luko thum panda bo khlaijaknai hini koktuma Shaimanka tinini o luko himbotogo phai manjaka YTF ni haste bodolni borokni tangphang Surjo Debbormano karibo mothani juda juda adongshong report Jomui TV.
Very good morning to all the viewers and thank you to media who are present here. Actually, we YTF Jompui Jala Takarjala Central Committee. Along with me, I have a district president here, our most respected YTF district president Nibas Debarma, and along with all the YTFs, we are here around 400 members fighting for in our own land for the demand for the Greater Tipraland movement. As you all you know that many people were in Delhi, they are protesting in a demand for the Greater Tipraland. So I just want to request all the people and all the viewers from around Tripura, you please support our movement for Greater Tipraland, as we all know that in our own land we have been striving for many years. 72 years we have been fighting in our own land for our survival in our own land. Why? We Tiprasas, now we are awake that we need Greater Tipraland. This is the last hope for Greater Tipraland under the leadership of Bubagra, Sri Pradyut Bikram Kishore Manika Bahadur. And in his guidance and in his leadership, we YTF, TWF and Tipra Motha earnestly request all the people to support our demand for Greater Tipraland, and we are fighting for Greater Tipraland in our own land. Why? Because we have been now, once we are in majority, now we are in minority. Without Greater Tipraland,